Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Say. Today we'll be preparing barbecue chicken wings. In a bowl, take 4 tablespoons of refined flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, salt according to your taste, and then mix them well. Now clean, wash and dry 500 grams of chicken wings. I will coat the wings evenly in this mixture. Repeat this process for all the wings and keep it aside for frying. If you are liking our recipe, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. Add 3/4 cup of oil in a hot wok and carefully place the wings in the oil one by one. Let them fry in low heat. Once they are golden brown in color, remove them from heat. Now for the sauce, we'll take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of honey. 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Mix them well and add them in another fresh wok. Once it starts to heat, then add the pre-fried wings to the sauce slowly. We'll coat them thoroughly in the sauce till it is dry and completely mixed with the chicken. Yes, it looks ready to be served hot. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. I have added the measurements of the ingredients in the description box below. Do take a look and comment on how you like the recipe. Thanks.